Hey there, quick review on this all-terrain panel dolly. I use these in my business for moving heavy interior doors. I'm able to set the width on these, plop the door over with the jamb or without the jamb into this and roll it around. It saves a huge amount of wear and tear on my body. Now this particular panel dolly, this has pneumatic 8-inch tires on it. This is what you're gonna want to not damage flooring. If you go with the solid rubber tires, they're harder and not nearly as forgiving whenever you're going over door thresholds and things like that. So these are really nice, heavy duty, nice and durable. Just a few notes on build quality. Your bars right here, these are aluminum. It's gonna be nice because it's gonna slide on these and then this won't rust from that. Then these pieces here are all steel. They're welded together and everything is painted nicely. You'll also see the wheel brackets here, everything welded in place, nice and strong. And we've got good bearings on these wheels. Just nice quality wheels here. You're not gonna have any issues with those either. Now to adjust the width here, you can go from 0 to 11 inches. You've got 4 of these T-bolts. You'll just wanna loosen those and then it will adjust in, again, all the way down from 0 and it'll go out to 11 inches. So it's fairly easy to adjust. You just kinda gotta do it one at a time to make sure that the bars stay even, but it works good. It holds up well, makes my life a lot easier. So if you're looking for something like this, good panel dolly for sheet goods, slabs, doors, pretty much anything, it's a great value.